Hi everybody, my name is Harry. I'm from Hikvision. I look after the HiLook brand products. Today we are unboxing the HiLook Alarm System. This is a hybrid system. It both can connect wired and wireless devices. So our wireless device is part of our AX Pro range, so it can be integrated together. So let's do the unboxing today. Inside we have 3 tags, also we call it fobs. We've got our basic instruction in there, and all the instruction, let's open it up, see what we got in there. Within our package in here, we have our basic wiring diagrams, our setup instructions, and also installation menus. Some of the basic devices, some of the basic equipments we got there, we got your resistor, some of the jumpers in here, which is we'll explain what's in there, why we need it. As I said before, the wiring diagrams in here. There's some other accessories which is used to install it onto the walls. And this is the connector between the main panel board to the backup batteries. Inside the package, we'll have a basic keypad, and there's 2 PIRs in here. And both PIR is wired. Most important, this is the main panel board. Okay, let's open it up, see what's inside the board. Okay, this is the main board here. The capacity of this board can be up to 48 zones. And it's got an inbuilt IP module inside, and most importantly, this panel here can be retrofitted with all existing analog devices. So what that means is, if you've got an old existing alarm system, if you don't want to change or remove any old existing equipment, all you have to do is change the keypad, change the main board, and reconnect it together. Thank you for watching today for the unboxing of our brand new hybrid system. So if you want to see more detail for the installation and for more explanation, please watch our next video.